CATRONICS for 2023 Tesla accessories, Model 3Y, digital dashboard, heads-up display, CarPlay, Android Auto. For Tesla HUD accessories, CATRONICS pioneered the dual Bluetooth function. The instrument panel is automatically connected to the original Tesla car screen Bluetooth, Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip after power on, and the mobile phone is connected to the instrument panel Bluetooth using the CarPlay and Android Auto function to enable the original Tesla car speakers to play the instrument panel sound. However, you can also use the small loudspeaker of the instrument panel to play. The sound quality is very good. It does not destroy the style of the original car. The 9-inch 1920x720 resolution True Color IPS display does not block the line of sight, does not block the air conditioning outlet, and perfectly displays all the necessary information for the vehicle. Dual-channel CAN information collection, real-time synchronization of the original car's large screen information, automatic startup when door is opened, and automatic shutdown when the car is locked, without losing battery power. The Teslas are incredible. However, the Tesla Model 3 and Y lack a feature that many drivers would like: a more convenient instrument panel located above the steering wheel. Now, we have this perfect addition for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y safety driving. Keep your eyes ahead, avoid the danger of drivers looking down at the dashboard. Plug and play, easy to install, no need cut or modify wires.